zoom in your video, it's very simple. All you have to do is just select the clip that you want to have a zoom on. And next what we're gonna have to do is we need to move our playhead to which part we want the zoom to start. So for example, I want the zoom to start here. So let's put our playhead right here. And next what we're gonna have to do is we need to put a keyframe here for the position and scale. So just go to your effect controls, and then right beside them, the position and scale, there's the toggle animation. So let's just click both of them. And then as you can see on the right, we made the keyframe on there. And next what we're gonna have to do is we need to put our playhead to where we want the zoom to stop. So for example right here. And next what we're gonna have to do is we need to adjust the position and scale for the zoom. So to easily adjust the zoom, what you can do is double click on the video like this. Make sure you're on the selection tool. And then next what you're gonna have to do is just move the point on the edge of the video like this. And then you can drag the video to where you want the zoom. And then as you can see, there's like a line here. That means the camera is going from there to there. Now, here on the F controls, as you can see, it automatically made a new keyframe for us. Now if you play the video, as you can see, it's zoomed. But it's not that noticeable. What we can do is we can also move the keyframes right here. You can make it closer to the other keyframes like this. Now if you play the video, as you can see, it's more obvious now. Now if you want the zoom to be smoother, what you can do is first let's zoom in on the keyframes like this, and then have them both selected like this, and then right click on them and go to temporal interpolation, and then select auto bezier. Now if we play the video, as you can see, it's a lot smoother. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.